Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys this absolutely delicious creamy shrimp scampi pasta recipe. It is to die for. The whole family will love this recipe. It's so quick, so simple to make. If you want to see how it's done, keep on watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new, and leave me a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Here are the ingredients. The measurement will be below for you guys in the description box. Please check it out. I'm using olive oil, lemon juice, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, all-purpose flour, dry cooking wine, jumbo shrimp, and for the seasoning we're using Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper, dry pepper flakes, paprika, salt and pepper, unsalted butter with fresh parsley, and of course the pasta we're using linguine, about 8 ounces of it. To begin, we're going to start by boiling our pasta. I am adding a little bit of water into my saucepan. Make sure to add some salt to it. Cover it and let it come to a boil. And you can always follow the direction on your packaging so you know how to boil your pasta. But once my water comes to a boil, I am going to place in the linguine pasta right in, and we're going to cover this and let it come to a boil again. Once our pasta is al dente, you are going to remove the pasta from the water. Just drain out the hot water so your pasta doesn't continue to cook, and we're going to move on to the next step. To a hot skillet, I am going to add in my olive oil. Once that is nice, well, not really hot. You don't want it to be too hot because you don't want to overcook the shrimp. You are going to add in your shrimp. You can either season your shrimp right before you add it to the oil, or you can just add it in just like I'm doing right now. Either way, it doesn't matter. Your shrimp is still going to turn out delicious. So we're going to add the shrimp in. Once you're done adding your shrimp, you're going to season it. Now I'm using half of the seasoning that I showed you guys earlier to season the shrimp. Just leave the rest so we can season our pasta. So I am going to sprinkle in my seasoning onto the shrimp. Now, once your 1 minute is up, you are going to flip your shrimp over. Look how beautiful the shrimp looks, y'all. It's going to be delicious as always, okay? So now you're going to flip it over and let it cook for another 1 minute, okay? Don't overcook the shrimp, guys, because rubbery shrimp is not fun to eat. Well, I don't like it. Some people do. I don't. I like it to be nice and not overcooked. Once my 1 minute is over, I am going to remove the shrimp, set it aside so we can start making our roux. Let me know down below, have you guys ever heard of creamy shrimp scampi? I would love to know. I thought that was a great idea to make a creamy shrimp scampi. I've never really eaten it. I just make it just to make it because I thought it was going to be delicious, and let me tell you, it came out tasting amazing. how beautiful our shrimp are. We're going to set them aside. Moving on, we're going to make the roux. To make the roux, you're going to add your butter to the same skillet. Let that melt. Once it is melted, you are going to add your flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. You're going to cook the flour to remove the raw flour taste from the flour. Okay, just let it fry. All right, once my flour is done cooking, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I had to come through with that B-roll for you guys. I'm trying, okay? So now we're going to be adding in our wine. You can use Chardonnay, you can use cooking wine, you can use whatever type of wine you want. Now I'm adding in the lemon juice, just pour that in. And I also went ahead and add a little bit of chicken broth. There it is. I didn't show you guys, but of course it will be in the description box because I feel like I needed to be more, it was looking too thick. Okay, I needed a little bit more water to it, so I added a little bit of chicken broth. Now I'm adding the heavy cream. Stir that together. All right. I'm loving how it's looking so far. I love it here. Now we are going to be adding in our seasoning, the remaining of the seasoning, and just add that in. Well, before we add the seasoning, we're going to add the Parmesan cheese. I'm also saving a little bit of the Parmesan cheese for later so we can garnish once the meal is over. And now I'm adding the seasoning, the remaining of the seasoning with the parsley. Now I'm going to be adding in my pasta. Just add that in and stir it, of course. Let it swim in that nice, beautiful roux creamy sauce. And of course, make sure to taste it at this point, guys, to see if you need any more seasoning or any more salt. I didn't need any more seasoning or salt, but if you do, go ahead and add some more salt or pepper or whatever in there. Just mix it. Look how creamy and beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, this is just absolutely beautiful. Make this for Father's Day, guys, because this right here, when I tell you this was busting, it was indeed busting. It was delicious. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of parsley on top with the shrimp. Of course, you can mix the shrimp together with it. Me, personally, I like to add the shrimp on top just to garnish it with the shrimp. Even if that was chicken, I would have added the chicken on top. It just looks better. Okay, once you are done, well, I'm not done. I'm going to be taking some pictures for Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, guys. My personal Instagram is Rose Demazier. I will leave it on the screen for y'all, but Jesus, look at this meal. Let me know what you think down below on this recipe. Don't forget to thumbs it up with a big thumbs up, because what? This recipe definitely deserves a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and leave me a comment below. Have you ever heard of creamy shrimp scampi before? Let me know. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.